having problems. Just started running rough. I changed the plugs and coil pack. When I got it, it was a 3 and 1 and 3 were bad, and the catalytics was below efficiency. But now the idle gets real high and then dies, and when I had to take it home, it wouldn't. I had to basically brake torque it to get it home. So first thing you're going to do is check the idle air control. 2 screws there. Probably going to clean it, so let me pause it. Okay, so we took the two little screws off. Hard to tell how clean it is inside, but here it is in there. And I don't know how well you can see it, if it's focused or not. I'm going to try to find it, hold it in one spot. There's a little plunge in there, and there's not much carbon, but we're going to clean it off. We're going to do safe. We're going to use electronics parts cleaner. Sorry, some paint got on the can. And we're going to spray it out, let it soak, and see what happens. There's a little plunger that moves back and forth. You could use brake cleaner or less carbon cleaner, less, because that would be a little more corrosive. So we're going to see what happens in just a second. Okay, now there's a little plunge in there. If I push it back and forth, I can see the plunger moving. So I think we're okay. I've let the stuff sit in there for a few minutes. And we sprayed some down the intake a little bit. So the carburetor cleaner is pretty caustic, so I would at least use brake cleaner. This is the stuff that you use for mass airflow sensors. Don't know what our codes are. Again, we haven't touched them, so we're starting with the idle problem. And these things get dirty all the time. I guess the exhaust gas is getting in there, EGR valve and stuff like that. So let's see what happens now. Next step is I'm going to throw the throttle plate for crap. There's not much in there. And then when I clean the idle air control, I use a little screwdriver and just clean the shaft a little bit, push it in and out. So we're going to spray a little there. And then we could possibly take the mass airflow sensor and clean that out. Let's see what happens now. Okay, we should have the car starting on its own in a minute. Let's try it again. Let's see how she's going. Okay, she should be starting up. I guess we're going to manually start her up. Okay, she's revving high. We're going to check the codes and do some more stuff, but I figured I do. And it's really cold out too. And remember, I sprayed throttle cleaner. And that's basically throttle cleaner in the intake. So that was what's causing it. Still shake a little bit. I'm going to check the codes again and go from there, but I'm just trying to show you how to do the idle air. And there also is a map sensor, which is vacuum operated. I have to find out where that is. I'm not a Ford guy. And a little smoke because the valve covers are pretty bad. But actually she's idling now fine. So I had to floor it to keep it going for all the stuff I sprayed down in there and in there. And normally too, I would keep it running, open this up, and spray some cleaner down the intake while it was running and force it to run a little bit. That would clean the throttle plates off and stuff. So just to give you an idea of some troubleshooting stuff, where to start. She was not idling before on her own like this, so that helps a lot. And I cleaned the shaft, sprayed it with the electronic cleaner, and then scraped the shaft just a little bit with a little screwdriver and pressed the plunger in and out because there was some stuff on the shaft causing the idle not to run right.